the opposite. Just the opposite. Yeah, well, except of course, as you're probably aware, illegal aliens are not required to comply with the mandate.
And really quick, yes, we actually had a bill that we wanted to run in the fiscal session. It didn't get anywhere, unfortunately, but Bruce Westerman, who's now the majority leader, wanted to get a bill to deal with some of the fraud and some of the waste and some of the abuse. But right now, from what I understand, you don't really even need to prove that you meet the eligibility requirements for Medicaid. There's no checks and balances to even, you could basically just go fill out a form. Please don't do that if you're not eligible. We don't need any more people on Medicaid. But those are the times we're wanting to make sure that the people who are supposed to be eligible are actually eligible.
Yes, that's correct. And there's an audit right now. Actually, right now, there's an audit into our kids' program, A and B, to see if there are folks out there that are actually on Medicaid that shouldn't be on Medicaid because they don't verify the income. There's no process for verifying the income. It goes back to unemployment benefits. We overpaid unemployment benefits. Well, there's the same type of negligence in Medicaid, and there's a lot of reform that just needs to be done administratively to save a lot of money. The other thing is that you have to re-enroll every year. There's so much bureaucracy and red tape for your providers and paperwork and unnecessary steps to re-enroll every single year. There really should be a better management of our taxpayers' dollars in running a program efficiently. And I think that is another thing that us as Republicans and Republican legislators, we have really proved our muster on that. You're going to run your agency responsibly and in a fiscally responsible manner. I did that with the Forestry Commission. They were misappropriating over $4 million of federal funds. They were not managing their house. Manage your fiscal house. They weren't doing it. They had to lay off 36 people. Of those were firefighters. And guess what? We're hit with a huge drought and fires everywhere. So they were irresponsible in managing their money, which resulted in loss of good jobs, good government workers that we need out there to help our volunteer fire departments. So they have to be accountable of how they spend money. And that's what we need to do. DHS is a monster. I mean, it's huge. And there's probably folks in there that are doing a good job and being efficient, but there's a lot more efficiency that we need to do.